We understand that this process can be confusing and upsetting. We want to help make it easier for you to take part in the hearing. Your case will be managed by a case officer who understands what has happened and can talk to you about your case and answer your questions. If your case has progressed to a hearing, your case officer will talk to you about what happens next and answer your questions. You can contact your case officer if you need help to understand letters we've sent you about the investigation or understanding the investigation process. You can contact our hearings team by phone on 0300 303 3444 or by emailing hearings@socialcare.wales. We understand that this can be daunting and you're probably going through a difficult time. We have a free, independent and confidential wellbeing assistance helpline which can give you support while you go through the process. This includes access to counselling support. It's run by Wellbeing Solutions and available 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. You can contact them by phoning 0808 169 8691. Or you can also access support by going online employeeassistance.org.uk for helpful information on a range of professional, work and family issues. You can log in using the access code SCW to book an appointment with a counsellor or advisor. Alternatively, there are a range of organisations on our website that can help you with money, professional, legal advice and wellbeing advice. For more information, please see our website. I hope you found this video useful. Goodbye.